Made possible by viewers who subscribe. We test, chart, and compare so your wallet wins. Hit subscribe to keep them coming.
Hey, I'm looking at these two Super-Automatic Espresso Machines, the Philips 5400 LatteGo and the Jura WE8. Big price difference, right? The Philips is around $800, while the Jura is closer to $2,500. Is the Jura worth that much more?
Definitely a huge jump in price. Well, let's look at what you're getting. The Philips boasts 12 coffee varieties at the touch of a button, and the LatteGo system for milk frothing, which they say is super easy to clean.
Yeah, it mentions the LatteGo has only 2 parts and no tubes, so dishwasher safe. The Jura mentions 1 touch too, but it says it prepares 12 barista quality specialties. What's the difference?
The Jura pitches itself as designed for small offices, brewing up to 30 cups a day. It has a bigger water tank, 101 ounces compared to the Philips, and a larger bean container, so it's built for higher volume. It also emphasizes its Aroma G3 grinder.
Okay, so the Jura is targeting a slightly different market. The Philips is probably better for home use, while the Jura sounds more robust for a small office. What about the actual coffee quality?
That's subjective, of course. The Philips has an aroma extract system to optimize brewing temperature. The Jura highlights its pulse extraction process for espresso. Both are trying to get the best flavor.
The Philips does mention ceramic grinders that should last for 20,000 cups. That's pretty good. What does the Jura use?
The Jura uses a conical burr grinder. Some customer reviews mention grinder failure on the Jura after about 6,000 cups, but others state it lasts for years. Maybe it's a mixed bag.
Interesting. The Philips has a 4.1 rating from 41 reviews, and the Jura has a 3.5 from 57 reviews. But the Philips is a renewed product, so that might affect things.
Right. The Jura is brand new, but it's been around longer, since 2012, so the technology might not be as cutting edge. The Philips came out in September 2023.
So if I want something reliable and easy to clean for home, and don't mind a renewed product, the Philips might be the better value. But if I need something for a small office, and am willing to pay a premium for a barista quality experience, the Jura could be the way to go, despite the mixed reviews on durability.
Exactly. It really depends on your needs and budget.
Don't miss out on our next in-depth review to help you make smarter purchasing decisions. Hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you're always in the know.